good evening everyone, welcome back to my another English blog video. As you can see, it's a spoken English practice video. So it's been a long day. Didn't make video. I'm not making video because I was under weather and not feeling well today. So what should I do? I thought that I have to make a video. At least I should a single video I should make. So that's why I have come here for practicing English, for making video. As you can say, I always come here for practicing English, for making video, as you know. And it's been a long day, and it has been past maybe 6 days that I'm not posting English relative video. So that's why I'm telling you. And I have a fever also, I have a cough, and I'm not feeling well to make this make a video. What should I do? But I cannot but make a video. So I thought that I should come here and I should make a single video at least. So today my lesson is today my lesson is how can I learn English and how can I improve this language. So before we dive into the main lesson, yes, it's my main lesson, and before we dive into the main lesson, I would like to say something. That's it. If you don't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe. If you don't have subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe, because I'm new learner and I am learning English by watching some English relative video on YouTube and by listening, as you can say. So if I am making mistake to speak this language, please correct me, and if you find out my mistake, it will be very helpful for me to learn this language perfectly, to speak this language properly. So that's why I am telling you, please don't forget to share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And so let's get started without delay. How can we learn English is a first lesson. So there are so many ways to learn this language, to improve this language. Really, if you want to learn this language, there are so many ways to improve English. And no matter where you are starting from, and English is not just about just a subject, it's a language, or we can say it's a key. Yes, a key that can open many doors for you and many opportunities in the world, as you can say. So English is spoken in many countries in the world, and that's why it's a become a common language for communication, in travel, business, higher education. In many cases I can't explain now, and I am not recognize that thing. So that's why I'm telling you etc etc. And why we are learning English, as you know, because if we learn English, then we can make a better life, and we can change my life really. And English is a skill that English is a skill that people value highly. Yes, and never pressures yourself to know everything at once, and nothing happens overnight, as you know. And learning English is a long process. So what should I do? We have to practice every day. We should start with simple goals like 5 word at least a day. You should learn 5 words and short sentences in you have to use in daily life, and you have to recognize those sentence phrases, words. If you want to sentences, then you should first of all learn word. Without you, if you don't know words, vocabulary, so how can you make sentences? Not possible for you to make sentences. So first of all you have to learn first of all you have to learn simple words to make sentences, and you have to practice in your daily life. You have to recognize those sentences, simple questions answer you have to learn. Because really, if you ask me how you learn, how you are learning this language, but I will tell you, really I'm learning this language by listening. Believe me, I'm learning this language listening. I don't know, even really, even I don't know sentence structure, tense, phrases. I don't know actually, but I every day listening English, and I used to listen English a lot when I was beginner. And after listening English, I can speak English. It's a great news for me. Sometimes when I speak English, that time I feel proud of myself, and I can speak English after listening those. I can speak, I can perfectly. I'm not I know that I can I can make mistake to speak English while speaking English. Then I can must make mistake, but it doesn't matter. I think it doesn't matter to make mistake, and making mistake is a part of learning. So you don't pressure yourself to learn, to know everything at once. It's a long process, so you have to learn day by day. And whenever you are talking to someone, that time it's most important thing, that's it. You should speak clearly, softly. You can make wrong, you can speak wrong, you can make mistake. It's not a big problem, it's a piece of cake, as you can say. So you first of all you have to speak clearly and softly, so that other side can understand you better. That's why I'm telling you, no need to speak fast. If you speak fast, they what are you saying, they are not understanding you perfectly. So it's not a it I think it will not a good. Ek minute. Siri, it not a good conversation. So it not will good conversation, I think. And I know I'm making mistake while speaking English. So I practice also every day, and it's been I'm not practicing nowadays. I have already said you the problem is I'm not feeling well. I was under weather, so that's why it's maybe 7, yes, 5, yeah, 6, 7 days. I'm not coming here for practicing English, for learning this language. And here have a look the weather, and it about to evening. And if you really improve this language, then you should listen English every day. Listening skill, you have to enhance your listening skill, and every day at least you make 5 new words every day. Uh, you can make for new making sentence you should make. And you should you should new you should learn new phrases, new idioms, that it will your English better level, as you can say. And you have to every day practice is the most main important for learning this language. If you practice every day, then you can speak clearly, softly, gently. You can speak without any hesitation. So if you are new beginner like me, so you are don't know how to speak this language, how can I start? So it will be very this video will be very helpful for you to learn this language. And you should, I have already mentioned you that you should 5 new words every day you should learn. And you should also recognize those sentences, those words and you have to try to make new sentences. You have to make every day, and not only making, not only writing, you have to speak also. You can speak yourself. Yes, you can start uh, you can start by talking yourself in English, like daily life and daily routine, my family, my hobby. That's all. You can start to speak this topic in English. So please keep watching my video, and please don't forget to share my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please follow those tips to improve this language earlier. So I have to go, but I'm not feeling well, so that's why I'm telling you. So thank you for watching my video. So bye bye, see you next video.